again.
Okay, let's go.
How do
Let's
I
go
keep?
do this.
How do I keep burping?
No, you're a broker.
Good, because food from
Here,
school.
let me see.
My food from school. How come this is so wet?
It was inside the soda. Remember?
And this is a good thing because we're having soda, like Coke. Because in the thing, Baby Saja, he's the one who's been with the boy band. He said, "My little soda pop," and we have soda right now. We said soda.
Oh yeah. Okay, this is it. It's the last one. Okay.
That's all.
It's over 5 minutes out in the heat.
All right, we're almost done. That's the last one.
Do all of them, even put the wet one.
No. This one.
Why?
You got this.
How come you won't let me put the wet one?
Because it won't work. It'll mess it up. Watch out. Come over here. Come over here.
But what about if we put the new ones in of it?
Take your glasses. I know you're going to squirt.
I didn't throw your eyes.
I know you get soda on your face. Okay, here we go.
And your balls.
Oh, hey. Okay, ready?
Go!
Go! Look out!
Give me it!
It kind of worked. Here, Avery, come here. Avery. Here.
What?
Is the camera on? Is that thing on? What is going on there? Alright, I gotta put. Oh, don't wait.